northeast of Denver that captured the world's imagination. A loud boom rocked the town of Log Bowie and several other areas. We aren't the only ones wondering what's going on. This is one of dozens of booms that have been reported around the world in recent weeks.
Did you hear it? People around the area report hearing a loud boom at about 7:30 tonight.
It could be connected to other reports of a loud noise and flashing light in the Seattle area tonight.
It is the boom heard round the Sooner State. The big question tonight, what was it? Good evening to you. I'm Paul Folger.
Thanks for joining us. I'm Abigail Ogle. Some say this was a sonic boom. Others say it could be an earthquake. You might have heard this too.
Reports of an explosion or maybe just some sort of loud noise that are waking people up in the middle of the night and nobody can figure out what it is.
In Wheat Ridge, many people are worrying about things that go bump in the night, or should we say boom?
Yeah, top dog.
A late-night loud noise that will not let up is plaguing a part of Pennsylvania. No one seems to know the source of the mysterious booms.
Boom shakalaka.
Boom shakalaka when I drop on my ever saying.
A wild story that just seems to keep on getting stranger.
6 o'clock, and here's what's happening. A mysterious boom shakes homes and rattles nerves. Residents around the region still trying to get to the bottom of the bang.
It was somewhere between 4 and 4:30 this afternoon when our Facebook pages blew up with questions from you.
What was that sight and sound over Cleveland County?
We had a meteor that came right into the Earth's atmosphere. It burned up, left a green streak that many people have been talking about in the sky. As it was burning up in the atmosphere, it left a sonic boom.
Boom, 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 gotta get 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 boom, 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 that boom, 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 that boom, boom, boom.
Guys, what is going on?
Strange sounds are being heard around the world. In Sweden, this sure sounds like a trumpet. In Michigan, another trumpet-like sound. Now listen to these strange booms that sound almost from another planet.
Something's happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. Getting so much resistance from behind. It's time we stop. Listen, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
Viral sa social media ang video na nakunan ang isang kakaibang tunog sa Batangas. Pero hindi lang pala dito sa Pilipinas ito nangyari. Nagpapatrol, Ernie Manyo.
Sa video na kumakalat ngayon sa internet na pinamagatang Strange Sound Heard in Batangas, Philippines, may maririnig na tunog ungol o trumpeta.
What is going on out there? Bizarre sounds are being heard all over. The latest is this creepy high-pitched noise.
Apparently they just discovered the source of this piercing noise. Check this out.
As you know, people call you a lot of names.
How do you know?
It turns out this is just the latest incident in a worldwide phenomenon of unexplained sounds that have scientists scratching their heads. This spooky sound terrified a town in British Columbia. This was heard in Finland. And this piercing high-pitched sound was recorded in Michigan.
Loud noises!
What the hell is that?
Hey guys, come here. Andrew, Josh, do you hear that?
What?
Come here. What's that? Can you hear that noise?
What is that?
coming from the sky.
You sure, Dad?
Yeah.
Sounds like a trumpet, Dad. What is that?
So weird.
So scary.
Is that a trumpet or?
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
It's time we stop, children. What's that sound? Everybody, look what's going down.
What the fuck was that?
What the?
Where's that sound coming from?
Hey, what was it? The trumpet blast.
Pardon?
The trumpet blast. What was it really?
Oh, that.
So the mystery continues. What is that sound from beyond?
And guys, of course, there is one other idea floating around out there, and that's the possibility that maybe aliens had something to do with this. But of course, that's been a little tough to confirm or deny tonight. So.